Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off auto download in WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application. Once you are there, just tap on the three dot icon on the upper right corner and then tap on settings. Once you are there, just scroll down and you'll be able to see storage and data option right here. And once you're there, you can see this option of media download. Just tap on one by one, uncheck all the options here, tap on OK. Then go to media, uncheck these options, then tap on OK. And then uncheck off this one too. Once all of these is done, make sure all of these are showing no media, and thus you can just turn off the auto download in WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.